Hello friends. We will learn number from 11 to 20. Let's start.
11 11
12 12
13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20 Hello. Enjoyed the video? Yes. Enjoy learning.